What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica, and in today's video we're going to be doing the FabFitFun unboxing, and this one's special because it is the fall themed box. Fall is my absolute favorite season, and I am so excited to get into this box. If you guys are excited as I am, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel over here where we do more unboxings, makeup reviews, tutorials, lifestyle videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now, before we get into the box, a little bit more about it. It is a seasonal subscription box, so it comes out 4 times a year, and it is $49.99. However, you can save $10 off your first box using, I don't know if I have a code, but I do have a link, and I will have that in the description box. And I don't think it's an affiliate because this is not sponsored. I am not a FabFitFun partner. I do buy my own box, so you can save $10 using that. Anyways, as well as it is $49.99, it is, like I said, a seasonal, so it comes 4 times a year, and it's kind of curated around the season. So like I said, this one's the fall seasonal box. It comes with like fashion items, beauty, makeup, fitness, lifestyle, all that other stuff curated in the one little box. Not really little, because I believe also your retail value is like supposed to be over $200. And it is available in the US, Canada, and the UK. And they are trying to become more like recyclable, sustainable, and maybe there will be something in here that'll say that, but I know I read that somewhere. It might have been in like the email that I get. I don't know. Anyways, so first in here, and actually you can tell by the box, it is different. This is less colorful. But it is very fall, and I want to keep this box because it looks like fall. They're like pumpkins and squash and... Alright, so first in here is the magazine that you always get. However, this one feels different. This one feels more like a newspaper material, like paper, instead of like the glossy actual magazine. And it does tell you all the prices and everything in here. And they do have a sustainability update. I'll just kind of read some notes off of here. It does say, so they are, oh, that's exciting. So maybe it'll be in the next seasonal box, the winter box, but it says that FabFitFun is offering more box variations, so that would reduce the materials used to make the boxes and the additional packing needs, so saving on that. They are also switching to 100% recycled craft box and paper and using less ink on the box, which looks like, let me put that there, which, like I said, like, this one does look a little bit different. It does kind of look like they have less ink, because you can actually see the cardboard, to where I'm staring at 2 of my other boxes down here at my feet. I've already unboxed them, don't worry guys, I'm not that behind. But I have like a full pink box, which I believe was the spring box, and then I have a blue box, so that might have been the summer box. Anyways, let's get into the fall box. Did I already give my thumbs up spiel? I really hope I did. Anyways, if not, subscribe, continue watching. FabFitFun, thanks. You didn't sponsor this or anything, but thanks for creating the box. So in here it says the Bright Sellers Discover Wine You Love, and it's got like a little scratch off thing. I'll never go to that wine club. I don't like wine that much. And in here you can pass this on to a friend for $15 off their first box. And then also in here you get 10 free meals with purchase. Claim within 30 days. I should sign back up for HelloFresh because I enjoy HelloFresh. And I'm running out of dinner ideas because I keep making the same things over and over, which is actually repeats of HelloFresh meals. Alright, so first in, whoa. It's a mason jar? Mason stops? Mason jar hydration kit? Oh, that's cute. It's got like its own little sleeve. That's cute. So it looks like it's just like a little water bottle, and you could put, I don't think it came with one, but you could put like a string here. Mason top glass water bottle with neoprene and turquoise. It says ditch the plastic and opt out for this sleek glass bottle, which holds up to 20 ounces, and this is $35. Next we have, where are you from? Vitamescals? Okay. It's a multivitamin mask. So, Vitamescus multivitamin mask set. It says it nourishes your skin with vitamins B3, B5, B6, C, and E when you use these ultra thin fiber sheet masks. The retail value is $40. So these two right here, we already paid for a box. Alright, so next in here, this is, oh, that's kind of dope. This is a hip cutlery It's a hip cutlery case, and it includes a fork, spoon, and a knife. I'm actually kind of excited about this because we can take this up to our little cabin. And this right here, it's a wheat straw cutlery set. Wheat straw, huh? Anyways, this guy right here is $14.99. Whatever, wheat straw. Alright, next in here is from, oh, it's a room freshener, Daniel Stone Perfumes. And then this says it's a perfume spray, and it's Stallion Noir. So this one is a sandalwood and cardamom, and the price is $36. That might have been a lot. You know what this smells like? This smells like that, This Works Deep Sleep Spray. The dry dawn. So it says Daniel Stone Scented Room Spray conjures a complexion of sandalwood fragrance with a spray cardamom top note. The body of the fragrance is an amber sandalwood complex enhanced by a light floral orchard accord. The dry dawn of amber musk supports the fragrance mango blossoms and strawberries into the base of vanilla and musky notes. I don't smell any of that except for musk. I'm not complaining about it. It's not a bad musky smell. We're going with it. Smint. Alright. Next in here. Oh, this one is a crease release. And it removes wrinkles. Oh, now I kind of wish I had my backdrop because that was wrinkly. We could have tried it all together on camera. However, I've tried the Dawn, I think it was from Dawn or Bounty or one of the laundry company, whatever. They had a wrinkle release something spray like this. This retail value is $16, so it is a little bit more than the other stuff that I've tried, so maybe this one actually does work. Let's hope. But I don't have anything to try it right now. I'm sad, I wanted the slippers. Okay. So this is from Beyond Yoga. And it is, what are you? What? Made in China, FabFitFun. Oh, FabFitFun's actually on the tag. That's kind of cool, but what are you? It's an infinity scarf. You're a scarf? A scarf with a zipper. This is a thick, heavy scarf. The scarf right here, you guys, is $59.95. I wanted the scarf again. It's a scarf and a cardigan. Scarf again. It's very thick. And it's thick. It's gonna keep you warm. It's kind of cute. I like it, kind of. Sort of. And we got a few more things in here, guys. This is a beauty popper. Beauty booty popper. This is a beauty paper, golden superfood antioxidant shower gel, and it's got pumpkin, arrogant, apricot, orange, and aloe vera. An invigorating shower gel enhanced with supercharged ingredients of pumpkin, argan, apricot, aloe vera, and orange. Designed to uplift your senses and provide a source of antioxidants to leave your skin feeling super energized. Now, do you smell like pumpkins? It smells like oranges and the slightest amount of pumpkin. It's not bad. I'm excited to use you. Although, my boyfriend's gonna use you. He already used all his soap. I got him, it was like, not Manscaped, that's something else. It was man-made, I don't know, it was like a tobacco vanilla or something, I don't know. It lasted him forever. And then lastly in here, this is from Foxy Babe, and this is the Foxy Babe 25mm black curling wand with rose gold covered barrel. It is $99. So it looks like it's just got a single on-off button. It doesn't give you the option to like 350 to 500, like a thermometer or a thermostat, or not a thermostat, like a temperature gauge. Yeah, we're gonna go with the temperature gauge. Anyways, so that, I mean, I don't know how hot it's gonna get, but it's just $99. So we have a new curling iron. I missed you guys. I'm sorry I was gone for so long. And if you want to kind of know why, you can check out this video here and in the description box. I don't know why I'm telling you this right now while I'm adding up prices. Alright guys, so our retail value was $330.94. Definitely way more than the $49.99 or the $39.99 if you guys use that link down below. I think this was a really good box. This, I mean, I'm surprised. I'm actually not all that hot in it. I thought I would be a little bit more hot wearing this for, I don't know, 20 minutes that I was recording. No, this smells really good. This smells pretty good. I don't need another curling iron, but I'm happy to have that. And a new water bottle is always pretty nice too. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.